So here's the deepest secret about microblading most people don't know. You gradually lay down strokes so they don't fall on top of each other. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time you're stopping by, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're absolutely welcome. So on today's video guys, I'm going to teach you guys brow techniques and then show you by practical. This is 2020 type of microblading, and this pattern is old pattern. So here is 2024 kind of brows. This picture here, tracing with my mapping pen. Now guys, there's something you need to know about microblading. It's a very natural strokes with more touch up. Yeah, it's absolutely different from the combo brows, which is a combination brows, the hair strokes and shading. Mind you, you're mimicking the hair strands and you have to do it accordingly. Do not overcurve your stroke. So here's the deepest secret about microblading most people don't know. You gradually lay down strokes so they don't fall on top of each other. Mind you, you're mimicking the hair strands and you have to do it accordingly. Do not overcurve your example of me using my microblading pen to trace that hair strokes, because this is an artificial skin. This is me tracing them accordingly. If this was to be a human being, I already know this person has a brow hairs, so I have to trace between my brow hairs.
I cannot trust my neighbors as that day comes, as I go. God, I watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. On a bang on him, lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow.
Now this takes us to microshading benefits. You can read through the pictures and then go straight to the video for the practical.
Make him look red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he come out us. No go fumble. As that day comes, as I go, God, watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God, watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors.
So yeah, now we're using our tattoo pen, or you can call it a microshading pen. It works with lights and without lights. So this video here, I'm using the battery to do this practical. I have to take through my pigment and then place it on the artificial skin work. So watch carefully on this practical and then see for yourself.
On a bang on him, lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him look red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he come out us. No go fumble. As that day comes, as I go, God, watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God, watch over me, oh Lord. I trust my neighbor. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors.
Yeah, you all can see how neat this is looking. It's perfectly laid. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell to get notified when I drop a new post. Bye bye.